Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna show you a quick and easy way to generate a QR code from any cell in Google Sheets or Excel using only a built-in formula. No add-on, no extensions, just one line of code. So without any further ado, let's get started. So here I have this data in the column. So I just want to make the QR code in the front of the every cell. So what I'm gonna do, I have the link here. You can say an image formula. So I will just copy this and paste it here. So what it did, it will, because I have already pasted it before, but once you will paste it first time, a pop-up will come here and it will ask you allow access. So you just have to click here for the allowing to the access to the sheet. So that's not a problem. Just once you will paste here, it will get the location of the cell. Location of the cell is showing here. Just see this one. It's A2. A2 means this is the column A and the row 2. So once you will put the location of the cell, it will generate the QR code for that specific cell. Okay, by the way, don't worry about the link. I will put this link in the video description. So if you want to make the QR code for all these data, it's very simple. Just click here and drag it down. It will automatically generate the QR code for every cell. Or you can do the other way, just select all these cells and press the Control D. Control D. Let's come to the Excel. Pretty similar, just you have to paste that formula here again and you will get the QR code for every cell. I will just copy and paste it here. See again, A2. If you want to change the location of the cell, like let's say I will write here my name and I will generate the QR code for my name. So here, see. So it is the QR code for this specific cell. You can make it for whatever the cell have the information, like you will make it the QR code for your Facebook link, your phone number, and whatever you have the information in the cell, it will generate automatically. So that's how you can generate dynamic QR code in both Google Sheets and Excel without any plugin recording. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below with any question. We will revert back on that question, don't worry. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next tutorial. Have a great day.